One lady don't come outside. They tell us her testimony of how the God of Pastor Korede Komaya save her from kidnappers. And I don't know, say pastors now don't begin get their own God where people don't they worship. But anyway, this girl claims say she they go church or say she don't know say motor where she enter. Now one chance motor. Say that kidnappers they inside this place. Say but fine and good after they kidnap this girl. By the time when they won't go use her, now there her head just turn to fire. See, even when they carry her phone, everything turn to fire. They don't feel use her. My people beg, make her follow me watch.
So I did as she asked because I had no thinking that she has those bad intentions. So immediately I perceived it. I felt dizzy. I felt dizzy. I was saying things, but I could not hear myself. That was just all I could remember till they took me to a place I don't even know. I can't recall that place. If they ever asked me to go back to that place, I don't know. So when we got there, 2 girls were already inside. They brought me inside as well. They removed the blindfold. And they told me to sit. So the two guys, that's the rider and the other guy, they had to go inside. When they got inside, they came back and took those 2 girls that were already there inside. I heard their scream.
She said she heard their scream. When they took them inside, the only thing she heard was that they screamed out, and there's nothing that would have happened at that very point. So what happened afterwards?
So after that, they came out again, and this time they were coming to pick me as well. So as I was standing up, because I was sitting, as I was standing up, my phone fell from my pocket. Yes, so it drew their attention. They had to go and pick the phone. So when he picked the phone, he pressed my power button. That was when he saw our pastor's picture and shouted fire and threw the phone down on the floor. So the other guy was like, what's happening? He said there's fire on our phone. He had to go and confirm himself. He picked up the phone, pressed the power button as well, and saw the same thing and shouted fire.
Fire!
And threw my phone away. So they started arguing. They went inside the room they came out from. They went inside and they started arguing. They were arguing among themselves. Who brought me here? How did I get here? That I'm going to cause them. That my presence here is a distraction to them.
My God.
So another guy came out with them. They were tearing now. So the last guy that came out, on seeing me, he shouted fire, that there's fire on my head. That I see fire on my head. So he told them, he said there's a force covering now. There's a power covering now. We cannot hurt her. So it's better you take her back to wherever you brought her from. So they had to go back inside, and this time the argument was it was heated up. Like the argument was more than the first time. They were just confused. They started speaking language I could not understand. They were talking amongst themselves. So that was when the driver came out. When he came out, he asked me, he said, where do I worship? I said, the Master's Place International. So he said, who is our pastor? I said, Pastor Korede and Pastor Esther Kumaya. So he said this is the first time in 5 years that he has seen something like this. That they normally do this ritual every year. Like the first Sunday of every October. They sacrifice 10 guests. I was supposed to be the number 10. God saved me. So he said that the church I'm attending is a living church. That there's God in my church. He said, hope I'll be able to remember where he took me from. I said yes. That when I get there, I'll remember the place. I can locate my house from there. He said, okay, that I'm going home now. That I don't have any use for them.
Wow.
Home. He took me there, dropped me at Airport Road. I had to go home from there. I just give God all the
Father, we give you all the glory. Look at this beauty.
Auntie, I know say this one when you talk, salt and pepper they inside. I know say you don't like twist all this whole thing. I know say God they do miracle. I believe in God. But the way when you come outside, they talk this story, it just be like say they promote the church. It just be like say they do advert for this pastor because you too ever emphasize on him. See as they just check your phone, now there they see the pastor, they start to shout fire. I beg wetin happen. The pastor carry juju for face, I be waiting they see. And when they can't see you self, you can't auntie softly they line now. No be children they talk to now adults. Normal kidnappers wey we know, they kidnap you, they no collect your phone. They no tie your hand. She claims say she still even hold her phone. Say now when the one come carry another get, now there her phone come for auntie abeg where you for reasoning this kind of thing. And make I even assume and say fine and good phone dey your hand. Your sense no tell you say as the phone dey, you suppose carry am. Test person say okay, they don't kidnap you, you know reason am. You dey there, they wait till God of wonders will do something. In fact, you get luck say the God of wonders even really work wonders for your life. Because if not by now, they would even kill you, turn you to pepper soup. They would even use you. And this girl, the shocker of the whole life. She claims say this kidnapper can't even drive her, go drop her back. They even follow her, they chat. Wow, what a good kidnapper. Because for this Nigeria, I never hear where kidnapper they follow person, they release, they even ask you question. The guy can't even dey nice enough go drop you for your bus stop close to your house. Say, auntie, oh, because of wetin happen, my mind don't change. But when God won't touch these people mind, he no touch their mind, make them no kill the other people. Now only auntie, I beg, suffer they like. This one fit be true. If it be true, say they kidnap you. But all this jara and fissy way you add inside, I no believe them. And I know they against this pastor because me itself, I be fan of this pastor. I like his swag and his dressing. So no be say they even try to criticize him. But the way this girl come as I can't talk this as story, I sure say na lie. But until not forget, try go police station. Make these people investigate this matter. Catch the people who commit this crime. So that we go fit know who do this one. Because if you just the reason and say na God now go catch the people, now you now you did nothing go happen. So I beg you, try go report this matter. Make they do their investigation well. Catch these people. My people now here I go end up for this matter. Make una stay tuned for our next story.